bond family tree consists of ionic, covalent, and metallic, but we don't need to learn about metallic right at this moment. At this moment, we're learning about ionic and covalent, and they all fall underneath the chemical bond, which is a lasting attraction between atoms, ions, or molecules that enable the formation of chemical compounds. Now, this may seem like a lot for now, but trust me, it gets way worse. The bond may result from electrostatic force of attraction between oppositely charged ions, as in an ionic bond, or through sharing an electron, as in a covalent bond. Covalent bonding is one of the primary types of bonding, along with ionic bonding, and what it is essentially is when two or more atoms share valence electrons to create the outermost valence shell. And it's only between a non-metal and a non-metal, because with a metal and a non-metal, that would be ionic bonding.
An atom gives or takes valence electrons to complete a fuller, most outer shell. This happens between a metal and a non-metal.
An example of covalent bonding are such elements like fluorine and chlorine, where they both fall underneath group 17, meaning they both have 7 valence electrons. They both need 8 valence electrons to complete their valence shells, so they both are going to equally share 1 electron, combining them, making both of their valence shells completely full.
Between an element like potassium and an element like chlorine. Chlorine is a -1 charge. Potassium is a +1 charge, meaning that it's an extra valence electron. And chlorine needs a valence electron. Chlorine is going to take that valence electron to complete its full or most outer shell. Bonding because of how the elements are arranged on the periodic table. You might be thinking, when are we going to find a chemical compound in real life? Well, I'm here to tell you, we have found one.
One of the most commonly known chemical compounds is H2O, or as we all know it, as water. See, this is where I'm standing, and it's in a little creek filled with water and other parasites. So down here, we have water that we found and discovered. But basically, water can be found everywhere by anyone. You can look outside and most likely find water, unless you live in a desert and there's not a lot of water there. But we should all appreciate every single type of water, no matter if it's sewer or not. All water is healthy and all water is drinkable.
Dude, Manny, this water is killer.
See, this might seem like a bad idea, but trust me, it's completely safe.